way out. You're good to go.
Ready?
Yep. Shift up. Shift up again. Accelerate straight to the green. Brake straight at it. Take a hard right back in the wall, nice and smooth. And accelerate out left. Full throttle, stay left. Shift up. Shift up. Brake here. Downshift, stay left. Brake a little more. No brake, turn. Maintain your speed down low. Accelerate hard all the way up the track. Stay on it, stay left. Brake, brake hard, hard, down one. Turn it, maintain, nice and smooth here. Keep it right, front to the back. Brake. Turn your apex, maintain your speed. Accelerate out wide. Stay on it, back to the left. Brake. Keep this apex here. Maintain, wait for it, light throttle. Accelerate out to the edge. Full throttle, back to the right. Brake easy. Turn your apex, accelerate to the green. Brake hard. Off that brake, look at your apex, turn more. Accelerate out to the edge. Stay on it. Shift up. Shift up. Brake here, brake hard. Downshift. Down again. Turn, no brake. Maintain, get down low. Accelerate. Hard. Stay on it out left. Brake, brake hard, down. Just trying to brake a little more there, still got to brake it. Accelerate, stay right. Light brake. Get to that apex, nice and smooth here. Accelerate out wide, stay on it, back to the green. Brake, downshift, stay left. Give me your apex. Turn more. And accelerate out to the edge. Full throttle, back to the right side. Brake. Back to the gas, straight. Brake hard, straight down there. Turn a lot, maintain. Now accelerate out wide, stay on it. Shift up. What do you think, man? Shift up, stay in it. Brake hard, down, shift, brake harder, down again. Just a little more brake. And accelerate out to the green.
Still if it was down that second time.
Yeah, it did. We'll get it this time. Brake hard, brake harder, down, shift. No brake, turn it, turn more. And accelerate hard, stay right. Brake straight. Get to this apex. Drive on that red and white paint. Now accelerate out wide. There you go. Stay on it. Brake here. Down one. Look at that apex. Turn one. And accelerate out wide. Back right. Brake easy. Turn. Accelerate to the green. Brake. Downshift. Turn it. Maintain. Accelerate out wide. Stay on the gas. Shift up. Shift up. Brake. Brake hard. Downshift. Down again. No brake. Back in the gas. Light. Get to the second green. Get it down there. Now accelerate hard. There you go. Stay on it. Shift up. Keep digging. Stay left. Brake hard. Lots of brake. Down one. Look at your apex. Turn. Keep turning. Maintain. Accelerate. Stay right. There you go. Brake. Off the brake. Turn. Get in there. Nice and smooth here. Accelerate out. Full throttle back. Straight brake here. Down one. Turn. That was good. Back to the apex. Maintain. Accelerate. Smooth. Full throttle. Now back right. Brake. Accelerate. Brake straight. Down one. Look at that apex. Turn hard. Ease into it. Accelerate out wide. Shift up. Just keep digging. Don't worry about it. Shift up. Brake hard. Downshift. Pass it. Stay on the brake. Down again. No brakes. Turn that wheel. Accelerate. Let's shift up. Brake hard. Harder. Down one. No brake. Turn that wheel. And roll the gas. Stay right. Brake. That apex for more. Roll the gas all the way out. Full throttle back. Brake. Down. Look at your apex. Turn that wheel more. Sit. Accelerate out wide. Brake easy. Turn. Accelerate straight. Brake straight. Down one. Take a hard right.